Hello mga katoys! This is Edward and welcome back to my... On this video, we will unbox the new release Ironman Mark 46 under 3.0 brand. So, let's go! On this video, we will unbox the new release Ironman Mark 46 from 3.0 brand. With a lot of accessories, start with one action stand, two shooting effects, two flying effects. This fully articulated collectible figure stands at almost 7 inches tall and has over 48 points of articulation. Two attachable arm brackets and 5 alternate hands. Side-by-side comparison with ZD War Machine Mark 1. And here's the side-by-side comparison with the Ironman Mark 43. So that's it mga katoys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video!